This is the famous Rafaelo pie. It ignites and melts in your mouth. In a food processor or blender, add a pack of cornstarch cookies. Next, let's close it up and grind it really well. Once that's done, folks, let's move on to a pan. Here I'm using a pan lined with baking paper. Then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of already melted butter. And now we're going to mix it really well until it becomes a very firm dough. Guys, the pan I'm using isn't a springform pan. I'm using baking paper so it can be unmolded. A great tip for you to try as well. Here in a bowl, 400 grams of white chocolate. I'm going to add 200 milliliters of coconut milk. Then microwave it for 1 minute until it becomes very soft. In another bowl, we're now going to add 400 milliliters of whipping cream. And we'll whip it until it's firm. And now we're going to mix it very thoroughly. We will then add 200 grams of shredded coconut on top, and then our combination of white chocolate with coconut milk. Once that's done, we just have to mix this together really well again. It'll stay in this consistency. Once that's done, now we just take it and pour it over our mold. Use a spoon to spread it out really well. On top, I used Rafaelo candy to decorate. Use as much as you like. Once that's done, we just cover it and refrigerate it until it's frozen. Now, you guys, it's time to cut it up and enjoy it. Look at this delicious pie. Make it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. It's a super quick, easy, and delicious recipe. I hope you enjoyed it. This was another recipe here from the poor man in the kitchen. Big hugs. See you next time, and thanks.